केंद्रीय कपड़ा राज्य मंत्री पवित्रा मार्गरेटा कहते हैं, मुझे भरोसा है कि असम के लोग हमें आशीर्वाद देंगे और आने वाले चुनावों में हमारा साथ देंगे। असम के लोगों ने कांग्रेस को नकार दिया है।
Rajiv Bhavan, they discussed this. No, this time we are not going to get. Let's try for 2031. It's not my comment. It's a comment by the Congress people. They know. I do not have any hesitation to say that they have strength. They are stronger. In the certain pockets where all of us know that which are mainly dominated by the people of that Bangladesh origin. So I don't have any hesitation to say that they are stronger there. But the rest 103 or 4 seats, the people of Assam, irrespective of caste, creed, community or religion, they have been supporting us, and we think that they will support us. We are sure that they will support us, they will bless us like the previous occasions. So I wish all the best to Gaurav Gogoi and his team for this 2031 election.
Will this be a walkover by Congress to the BJP to 2020?
No, you see, that finally Janata is Janardan. It should not be like that. We should not reiterate this way. But yes, we are confident that people of Assam will bless us, they will cooperate us, they will guide us, and they will support us in the forthcoming election. So, but Congress, they are unmasked now. Their appeasement politics. And then what did they do? People are now recollecting, because it was just a few examples. This one-horned rhino were killed every week during the tenure of Congress. But now the rhino killing, rhino poaching is zero now. Even there is no insurgency here, no picketing, bandh, hartal, no killing of innocent people. So, and apart from this law and order, the protection of our culture, art, our heritage, our civilization, this has been witnessed by our people directly. They have seen, they have experienced how corruption-free works, jobs are being given to our youngsters. So, being a political worker or as an MP, I need not say so much about the achievements. People have the first experience.